If your brand isn't using AI yet, you are already behind. And I don't mean to scare you by this, but I genuinely mean it, because I've been in this industry for nearly 10 years building brands and selling them across the world, and I've never seen a shift this big, this fast. In the next 12 months, the brand owners who win will not be the ones with great products, they will be the ones who know how to use AI to build faster, smarter, with less waste. So I'm going to walk you through AI skills that have the highest return on income for brand builders right now. Even if you started from zero or you have a brand that you're already selling with, all of these points are absolute game changers. And this isn't about playing with ChatGPT for fun. This is actually using AI to build your brand, scale your operations, and more importantly, free up your time to focus on what matters most. So let's jump in. Skill number one is prompt engineering. I know that sounds technical, but stay with me. Communicating with AI now is more valuable than knowing how to use a spreadsheet or knowing how to send an email. Most people type something like "create me a marketing plan" and then they wonder why the output is completely useless. So here is what I would do, and here is my exact framework. First, you need to define the role. Tell the AI, act like a marketer or a designer or a logistics expert. If you don't give a lens that they can see through, it can't give you a specific answer. Second, provide the data. If you give more examples, it gives a better output. If you want great ad copy to start running ads, you need to feed it examples of what great ad looks like around your specific niche. Third, make the ask. Be specific. Don't say, "help me with marketing." Say, "write me 3 Instagram captions promoting my product that I'm launching to 18 to 30-year-old men around activewear." Fourth, request the format. Do you want it bullet pointed? Do you want a paragraph? Do you want a spreadsheet? Tell it, or you will just get a wall of text that is hard to work through. And if you want my exact prompt structure, find me on Instagram and message me the word prompt, and I'll send you the whole thing on every section of building a brand, from designing, sourcing, scaling, sales. I have individual frameworks for each part. And skill number 2 is AI assisted software development. And before you switch off like I used to, if you are not technical, please hear me out. Building custom software today can be done by anyone. Honestly, if you've never written a line of code, who cares? I have just invested in an AI software company, and all our prototypes are being built by non-developers. There is tools like Cursor, Replit, Retool that let you describe what you want, and then it writes the code for you. So here is the process for you. First, go into ChatGPT and say, "teach me how to build this app using Replit." It'll walk you through step by step. Second is find a problem. Talk to other brand owners, other retailers that you would love to work with or sell through, or anyone that's in your desired industry, and ask them what they are struggling with, and then build a solution around that and apply it to your brand. Third, just build it. Most people get stuck in learning mode. They're always consuming, never creating. And the people who actually start, ship, and scale are the ones who are at the top end of the tree. They're the ones that are getting paid. And then skill number 3 is AI design. Design is no longer about technical ability. It's about the creativity of your ideas. I use AI consistently to generate photorealistic images, design packaging mock-ups, even to create custom branding elements. So the 3 areas that you can focus on when building your brand. First is generative photos. Master the prompts to create a realistic image. Last week, I literally designed a full packaging brief and concept without hiring a designer. Second is photo editing. Tools like Photoshop AI or Topaz, they let you upscale low-resolution photos, they'll fix old images, and they'll remove backgrounds instantly, so then you can run ads with that content. Third, web design. You can design and code websites using Figma and AI plugins or Reloom. What used to cost you £20,000, £30,000 to build a website, you can now do it at a fraction of the cost, and you keep the difference to invest in growth. And skill number 4 is AI video editing. This one is the best. My media team used to spend hours, probably days, cutting silence, fixing audio, stitching footage together. Now, with AI, it's instant. Video editing used to be 80% technical and 20% creative decisions. Now it's flipped. The tech side is handled. All you need to do is focus on the creative to deliver a great product. And here's what you need to master. First is clipping. Every brand owner needs someone to go into their archive, pull out all the gold long form that they have, content or short form videos, and put it into software like Opus or Firecut, and this will automatically clip these videos for you. Second is generative video. You can create AI avatars that look just like you using Vidyard and Synthesia. And I actually have a friend in Miami running AI TikTok accounts, and he got 3 million views in 30 days without recording a single video. Times are changing. Third is B-roll search. AI can search terabytes of footage to find the exact clip you need, or generate realistic B-roll that you don't have. And skill number 5, AI writing. The most valuable business skill isn't writing words, it's communicating ideas. My writing team uses AI to take transcripts from my coaching calls, my advisory sessions, even my WhatsApp conversations. They then extract the stories and lessons and quotes, and then they put it into my content and newsletters. There's your funnel. And it's not about having AI write for you. It's about using it to find the gold so you can insert it in a way to your brand that feels natural and feels real, and honestly, it gives value. So the 3 focuses here. First is extraction. Take long form content or short form and break it down into key ideas. You have multiple layers of content within that. Then second is ideation. Feed AI your best performing adverts, your best performing content, your best performing product lines. Have it generate new ideas based on everything around that. What's already worked, you can recreate and maximize your sales going forward, or maximize your adverts going forward. And third is creation. Feed your exact tone of voice and the examples that you are proud of. Create a custom AI that writes just like you, using it across all different departments and categories, whether it's socials, whether it's product design, whether it's customer support, whether it's marketing campaigns. It can be applied at all levels. And skill number 6 is AI content marketing. Here is something wild. Have you ever heard of Arnold's Pump Club? It's a massive podcast and newsletter by Arnold Schwarzenegger. And the crazy part, he's never recorded a podcast. He has an agency managing the whole thing using AI systems, voice clones, and automated publishing. You can do all this for an extremely low cost and apply it into your brand. First, define the outcome for your brand. What do you need? Do you need product? Do you need content? Do you need newsletters? Do you need video series? Second, generate that content. Use all the AI skills that I have just spoke about in the above video and generate it to what you need specifically. And third, repurpose it. Take 1 hour of content, pull out multiple clips using AI and publish it everywhere across every platform. Your brand becomes omnipresent, which is something that I teach consistently. And skill number 7 is no-code AI automation. If you look at all the wasted time, money, resources, businesses or brands burn through just managing workflows and pipelines, you will find endless opportunities. And that's why people, consultants, get paid so well to do this. Recently, our automation expert literally took our onboarding process for new clients from 15 tasks down to 1, and it's all hooked up with Zapier. Imagine the time, money, and effort that is spent on human effort, never mind the time spent actually doing the task. And the process is for you if you want to apply it to your brand or your company. First, map out your entire workflow. Go to a whiteboard and map out exactly the process that it takes and where are the bottlenecks that are stopping growth. Second, focus on cash. Don't automate things just because it's easy. Find the low-hanging fruit that will truly save you money or make you money and also save you time. And third is build co-pilots. Look at someone's work and ask, can this be done by AI? Sit next to them, understand their workflow, review their final outputs, and then understand this framework. And skill number 8 is AI data analysis. Every business needs to leverage data analysis for sales, for ads, for product launches. If you don't, you will probably fail. Without data, you are just another person with another opinion. I used to sit in meetings and debate what color t-shirt I thought would sell next year. What a waste of time, honestly. So here is how you can maximize this with your brand. First, data cleanup. Most brands have messy data or none at all. Use AI to create a data warehouse. Therefore, within that warehouse, virtual warehouse, you can make better decisions quicker, faster, and more efficient. And second is predictive modeling. Use historical data to your forecasts to understand what's coming next. This can make you smarter on inventory planning, pricing, and marketing decisions, which is priceless, believe me. And third is real-time dashboards. Build live dashboards that show exactly what's happening in your business or brand right now, not what's happened 3 months ago. And please understand, I know this can feel overwhelming if you're not from a tech background like me, but you need to harness this information. Some of you might not feel ready, or you might not feel smart enough to go into this, what I'm explaining, but if you've made it all the way to the end, you are here for a reason. AI isn't optional anymore. Your brand depends on it. And there's never been a bigger demand, and you now have the roadmap. Don't sleep on this. Don't delay. The time is now. The brands that are winning are the ones that are implementing AI. And honestly, you were meant for greatness. And if you've watched this, you have watched it for a reason. And if you want help building your product brand using these exact systems, head over to brandmap.io and let's get you started.